So, when I was a young boy, my father took me to the city. Hey guys, we are back again with another episode of Real Food, Real Friends, where we are making real food and we are real friends. I got that backwards. So today we're doing a seafood boil because a lot of you guys have suggested that. So we're gonna get started cooking. We're gonna give you guys a few shots of that so you can get an idea of what we're making, and then we're gonna get into it.
Sounds like a plan.
So we're still working on the sauce. Margaret is getting that cooked up. I am shucking some corn at the moment for our seafood boil. So wish me luck, because I'm like the worst housewife ever. So we got the garlic and onions cut. We are adding everything in. It smells so good. We're also having a few drinks. And and we have this nice boil started. So I'm like, I am hella excited. Look at her go. She is killing the game. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells so good. It's gonna be like the best dipping sauce ever. And we just added some corn into the pot. Yo, this is epic. So we may have ran into a snag. Our pot does not look like it's big enough, but we're making it work. But we got crabs, crawfish, shrimp, and oysters. So we're killing the game right now. And then we also got some squash action going on. Mm-hmm. So
yeah, this is
get ready for this. This is the proudest moment of my life. She's still scooping. We're still getting this plated. Do you want to start?
We about to fucking eat.
We have everything plated up. We've got our crabs, our crawfish, our corn and potatoes, some shrimp, oysters. We are about to be bowling. Oh, and we got some squash. Margaret fried up some really nice squash. And then, of course, we got this nice butter sauce up here. If any of you guys follow Lou and Tae, we used their recipe, and let me tell you, it looks delicious. And this bitch is starting without me.
I can't fucking wait. I'm done.
I'm so ready for this, honestly. Like, I'm psyched.
This is the best shit I've ever made.
I'm gonna start with some of the squash.
Huh.
I'm already dropping shit on me.
I'm just gonna flavor my corn in this.
The squash is really good.
Yes, it is.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start with like carbs.
I'm gonna take some potato.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then I got a spoon for this bitch because it's like.
Oh my god.
Don't mind me. Oh yeah. That good?
This is so good, you guys. So good. Oh my god.
I'm kind of worried because now I just want to eat like the squash and the potatoes and. I also eat with my hands a lot.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, you were right. Bringing the napkins. So which seafood did you want to start with?
I was gonna dig into some of these shrimp.
Okay.
We got some shrimp, y'all.
Still waiting on this potato. I want to start with some oysters.
Get at her.
This little teeny tiny oyster.
Hold that up. All that oyster for that little bit of oyster.
Yeah, all that shell. God. I can't get over how freaking good this is right now.
Mm-hmm. So good, y'all.
I needed to bring a garbage plate.
Mm-hmm. Yo, I haven't even started the real seafood, and I'm just like,
I know.
I just want to eat everything right now.
Alright.
So I've never had crawfish before, so Margaret's gonna show me how to eat a crawfish. So
Well, not really sure if I should be the one giving advice, but what I've been told, it's basically just whatever's in the tail.
how do you?
So you pull the. Here, I'll start over. You think you got it?
Woo! It's so juicy, y'all.
And then you just
Oh my god. Okay, so
get the meat out the tail.
I do this.
Yep. And then you kind of break the shell off around it, and then you get this right here. It's a lot of work for.
I mean, this looks good, y'all. I think I might have been missing out on some crawfish.
Oh, then you got a little piece of meat in the claws.
Hmm.
I was about to suggest that well, not that I was going to suggest, but I was like, do we really need the sauce to do this? So like a part of me was like, we can just like melt some butter, it's fine.
Girl.
You know my white ass saying shit like that.
First of all, this sauce is what gives me the most life out of everything right now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We really should have fresh fry.
Mm-hmm.
I could just eat these crawfish.
Yeah, pretty good.
Like, look at these, you guys. Oh my god. Like a little lobster.
Woo!
These are really juicy too.
No. Yeah, they're really good.
Like, I've heard that crawfish have like a lot of juice because of the way that you cook them, but like, this is kind of crazy.
Oh god, this is so good.
Mm.
Alright, I'm moving into the crab.
I don't get it. Mm. You're taller than me this week.
I know. I'm so short that like I can't reach the bowl. And I have to like stand up to get to it.
Thankfully, I have all these long extremities.
Yeah, not me. I'm like, it's right there.
Laughing at her shortness.
I know. I'd cry. Oh shit. Look, that's stupid. Alright, I'm gonna have to borrow the skizzers.
This is so messy.
I know. Whatever.
I'm okay with that. I guess I'll dig into some crab as well.
Yeah. We should just do a seafood boil like every day.
I'd be down. I don't know how our paychecks would feel about it.
We can just pretend like that's not a thing.
We bougie.
We bougie. I think right now my favorite's been the shrimp.
I really am enjoying the crawfish. You know, I could have actually went for like a little more spice in the sauce.
Really?
Yeah. Like, it has a nice kick, but
Yeah.
I think we definitely like skimped a little on some of the
spice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely think I could have added more spice to it. But it's still really good. Come on, me. Yeah, the sauce is like, you can put that shit on anything. Not just seafood.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of messy. I I can suck these bitches out.
Yeah.
Oh, like how unfortunate. Yep, nope. Don't got it. You're like your poor husband.
Someone needs more practice.
Nah, I'm already married. At some point I was about to go for another potato too. I was like, am I bad? Like wanting to go for a potato right now? Oh yeah. Cleaning this up is going to be worse than cleaning up the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try one of the oysters.
Go for it.
I've never had oyster before, y'all. Well, no, that's a lie. I've had oyster. So we were a little scared with these because they were live when we got them. So we like had to cook these live ass oysters. And look at this shit. Like, this is all that's in that? Like what?
Oh. Maybe they're overcooked.
Maybe.
Not really sure how oyster cooking works.
I only remember that one random fact.
That was actually very impressive. For someone who like doesn't even like you were like not excited about eating the oysters. They're like, if your bitch ass wants to do it, go for it.
Mm-hmm.
And you're like, I know I don't like them.
You know, these are Virginia oysters. So, that might have something to do with it. Mm.
I can't get over how good this is.
It's so good. And then, this wouldn't be an episode of Real Friends, Real Food if we didn't have drinks. Cheers.
I almost forgot I had a drink.
I mean, honestly, this food is so good. Like, I haven't even thought about drinking anything.
I know. Get out of here. I could just eat all day.
So, do crawfish grow up into like lobsters? Are they like baby lobsters?
No. They can look like little lobsters. They're definitely
not baby lobsters.
definitely not baby lobsters.
Now I don't feel as bad because I thought I was eating babies at first.
Oh my god. Was that the part that would make you feel bad?
I mean, I have eaten my fair share of babies.
Poor humans. Almost lost the scissors. Oh my god. I could just eat like boiled potatoes and that sauce all day.
Oh yeah.
If I like.
Have you like dig straight out the bottom of that sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
hi viewers, here is my chest. Unintentional, just trying to eat some food. What the fuck?
I've actually been super into the squash.
Yeah, it's so good. Typically, it's kind of just one of those mixed sides.
Yeah.
But no, this is pretty good.
So we used some of the butter sauce in the squash, and I'm just at a loss for words. Like, it's so good, and I don't understand. This corn though,
I know.
like sweet Jesus. So, you guys, we are both stuffed. This has been really fun. We're definitely going to do some more videos like this. I've very much enjoyed it. I think Margaret's enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah.
So, if you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we have a new video. And if you feel like it, give us a like, give us that thumbs up, and leave a comment. Let us know what else you want to see us eat. Alright, peace out.